Well, back with first trades right here in ET now, and despite a modest rebound in the benchmark indexes since the West Asia crisis, the primary market activity has clearly remained subdued all through the month of April, reflecting a very cautious issuer and investor sentiment. In fact, Ashesha is here from our research desk with more insights on the same.
Primary market action has been fading over the last few quarters, and there is evidence to prove that. Let's first talk about the number of issuances and the amount of money that has been raised over the last few quarters. There were 50 issues in third quarter of calendar year 2025 and 39,880 crore. That's the quantum of amount that was raised via primary market action. In the fourth quarter, number of issuances declined from 50 in the previous quarter to just 29. In the first quarter of 2026, that's calendar year 2026, we've just seen about 18 new issues totaling to about 18,800 odd crores. And in the month of April, it has been even worse. That's of course because of West Asia crisis and the kind of decline that we have seen in equity markets. The sentiment clearly has slowed down, and that is the reason the number of issuances and the amount of money raised has gradually declined in the month of April further. Now, there are some companies which have received SEBI approval, but listing is awaited. Perhaps they are waiting for the right time to get listed on the bourses to get the correct valuation. Hero MotoCorp, they received approval in May, and they are estimating about 3,600 crores of IPO. Greaves Electric, it received approval in May 2025, about 1,000 crores of IPO. And Credella Financial also is looking to raise about 5,000 odd crores via the primary market. So clearly we have seen a couple of companies where they've received SEBI approval, but they are waiting for the right time to come up with their IPO. Hero Motors, Orient Cables and Runwal Developers are a couple of other companies which received SEBI approval in calendar year 2025, and they are waiting to get listed for the right kind of valuation. Now, all such companies total to about 149. This is the data that we've curated from Prime Database. 149 companies have received SEBI approval, but they are waiting for their listing, which means 2.15 lakh crore rupees. That's the amount of money that could be sucked in via the primary market over the next few quarters. Let's also talk about a couple of other companies which have not received SEBI approval. They've made an application, but the approval is yet to come. We have PhonePe. It made an application in September 2025. It is looking to raise about 11,700 odd crores. Zepto, looking to raise 11,000 crores. It has made an application in January this year. And SBI Mutual Fund, about 13,000 crores of money is what it is looking to raise. So several companies which have made an application, but SEBI approval is pending. About 82 companies are awaiting green light, totaling to about 1.74 lakh crore rupees. So yes, clearly we have seen primary action fading over the last few months, and several companies have received approval, but they are waiting for the right time to get listed on the bourses.
Okay, that's primary action.